From the Storm Team Weather Lab, KAMC meteorologist Jacob Riley.
We saw another beautiful day across the area today. Another spring-like day. We saw those temperatures in the 80s. And out there tonight, a calm night and live sky view now from our NTS tower. Looking back to the north up Interstate 27, you can see nice conditions across the area. Nothing intruding with our view of the hub city, but that could change a little bit overnight tonight. Not going to expect much, but as we take a look to the north, notice a little bit more of the white here over northwestern portions of the Texas Panhandle. A decaying area of showers and thunderstorms will continue to move to the south and east, and we could see a few clouds and maybe a brief shift in our winds from the southeast to the north overnight tonight to help bring in a little bit cooler air. But as we take a look at our futurecast model as we head on through the overnight hours, there are those clouds trying to work their way in overnight tonight, but then by tomorrow afternoon we could actually see a couple more of those isolated showers and storms develop, especially across eastern portions of the area. Those won't stick with us overnight, but then as we head into Tuesday, it looks like that same pattern could begin to set up here across the South Plains. So again, not expecting any widespread rainfall over the next couple of days, but we could see the general chance of some isolated showers and even some thunderstorms. Notice here for your Monday, a general thunderstorm category risk for all of the areas in the light green. No severe weather is expected, and then by Tuesday you'll see that risk shift back further to the west over our New Mexico and extreme western Texas counties. So partially the reason that we're not going to see any widespread rain is because our upper level pattern really doesn't support any rainfall across the area. Notice we keep pretty much a ridge of high pressure here in our area with the trough remaining on off to the west. And if you want to have rainfall, that trough really needs to dig through your area to bring a cold front through, give you a little bit more lift, and that's how we'll get some more rainfall. But unfortunately, it doesn't look like we're going to see that over the next 7 days. So the reason we do have a couple of rain chances around is actually going to be thanks to the rain we saw last week. We do have an increased amount of ground moisture across a good majority of the state of Texas, including here in the South Plains. So what that is going to allow to happen is our dry line is going to be able to move back to the west just a little bit more. As we continue to get a little bit more of those warmer temperatures into the area, that will provide ample heating, kind of lets the air in our boundary layer mix a little bit better, and in turn give us some more isolated showers and storms as we head into the afternoon and evening hours every day as we go over the next 7 days. So it doesn't look like a widespread threat, mainly just an isolated risk here over the next 5 days. The rainfall we did see last week helped bring us down below an inch below average for this time of year, still around 3/4 of an inch drier than what we should be for this time of year. And unfortunately, again, doesn't look like any of those substantial rain chances over the next couple of days. So over the next 6 to 10 days, what you'll notice, we do have that above average chance of precip here along the South Plains. But again, that's because of the dry line giving us those isolated afternoon showers and storms. In the 8 to 14 day outlook, though, it does look like we could see a weak system move through and kind of up those rain chances just a little bit here across the South Plains. Overnight tonight, lows falling down into the middle and upper 50s to middle 60s across the area. Those winds staying out of the southeast around 8 to 12 miles an hour. Tomorrow, highs really begin to warm up. Some locations will be in the triple digits. You'll notice a lot of 99s and 98s out there. Those winds shifting to the south around 10 to 15 miles an hour. Your 7-day forecast shows those warmer temperatures lasting all the way through your 7-day forecast. And you'll notice the isolated and watch chances of precipitation there every afternoon. Again, not everybody's going to see rain. Most people won't see a drop, but we do have the chance for maybe a shower or two during the afternoon and evening hours. Next weekend, though, looks like a little bit better of a chance. We'll move into the South